Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys. Very excited to have Mandeep with me today. She is one of our online student and she has cleared her PT exam. 8 each in PT. Congratulations, Mandeep. I've seen you working hard.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
We used to have conversation, you used to ask all the doubts. Mandeep, being an online student can be sometimes, or it can feel you don't have that physical presence, you can't communicate with the tutor every now and then. What do you think? What are the more important factors when it comes to PT, especially clearing PT, studying for PT online? What do you think is the most important factor, I'll say?
It was my illusion too that being an online student, I was listening to the other interviews and children were saying we attend lab sessions and we go there, attend the lab sessions whole day. So I was a bit nervous when I started. So because did not have that privilege. But to be honest, being an online student, I got all the tips and strategies and you and Isha ma'am especially were just one message away from me. The moment I send you messages, I have so many questions and I just get the answers right away. So I did not face any problem being an online student. I would say it was so convenient for me. Being in a different time zone, even I was totally like fine. I had no problem at all.
Mm. Mandeep, what do you think? What is important when it comes to clearing PT? Do you need to focus more on your grammar, on your vocabulary, on your skills, or do you need to focus on something else?
Yes, we definitely need to focus on grammar and we need to do a smart work too with
Mm.
hard work, I noticed. And especially Language Academy gave me a study plan. So I followed that study plan. Like, it's not that from one day, if you're studying like for suppose 4 hours and next day
Mm.
you're not even doing a single topic. So
Mm.
that the mistake I was doing when I started. But
Mm.
when Isha ma'am gave me study plan, so I was doing each module like 25 read aloud, everything like in according to the plan. And
Mm.
I noticed that there are lots of improvement, like in my reading section, in my writing section. And I wasn't even focusing on the time. I was spending less time instead of spending more. I
Mm.
was spending less time. So all these like my weaknesses were clear to me when I appeared for mock tests.
Mm.
I wasn't aware of all these mistakes. And I was like overconfident that, oh, I'm living in an English speaking country from long time and I do not need to prepare for read aloud. But that
Mm.
wasn't the case.
Mm.
So until I appeared for PTE once, I discovered it after that content plays an important role in the reading.
Mm.
And I was started practicing read aloud like 25 every day. So
Mm.
that I noticed that there was a lot of that brought a lot of change in me. So I was like really confident. The moment you start practicing every day, your
Mm.
confidence level goes to another level. The
Mm.
moment I was like, oh, this was the mistake I was doing. I was
Mm.
spending like 20 seconds on one reorder, which
Mm.
was supposed to be, I think, 2.5 something.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
One thing which I really liked is that you had a study plan, but not just having a study plan was not the case with you. You had a study plan and you were 100% focused and determined that yes, I have to follow this. Because a lot of time what happens, students do have a study plan, but due to their busy work schedule and everything, they often miss out on doing things. And once they miss the flow, they have to start all over again. Very well said,
Yes.
Mandeep. If you are preparing, if you are planning to go for the exam, you need to study regularly. You need to be consistent. Consistency is the key. Plus, on top of that, you need to make sure you get feedback and you take a number of mock tests. Mandeep, how about the online portal? How important and useful is that? You have taken a number of mock tests. I remember. I have checked your mock tests as well. How important are mock tests, and how about the online portal, please?
Yes. Another thing I learned from a portal and the mock test was proofreading.
Hmm.
I was sure that, oh, I cannot make a spelling mistake, I am so good in English. But the moment I started proofreading, like my essay, like you guys provide a wonderful template, we just have to fill the keywords. And
Hmm.
I was even doing a spelling mistake in that one. So, like,
Hmm.
sometimes even I'm missing a full stop. So, these little things deduct your marks, and then when you get the writing score, you're shocked, like, why I wrote the all spellings correct, but that wasn't the case. So the main thing, I was only serious, I was thinking that 15 years of study give me 15 points for immigration, and just 2.5 months of PTE preparation gave me like 20 points, you know. That was so like motivating, that, oh, I have to study, I have to be serious, like. And definitely, being in Canada, like, I could not find here anybody helping me in PTE. Starting from not knowing even the full form of PTE, I have like got my desired score. I did call a couple of places here, but they said you should go for IELTS. We do not accept PTE here. But my circumstances were different. And then they said that maybe somebody's offering online classes, you should Google search. And I just came across the Language Academy. And then I called them and they said, we have an online portal. Then before even calling them, I checked your online thing and reviews, and I was quite impressed. And that was like a game changer. Then my journey of PTE started. Yes, but the LA portal, you get a free material for practice. That's like a fantastic thing.
That's right, Mandeep. See, what I learned from Mandeep's journey is that, first of all, you make up your mind that yes, I have to do it. Give yourself good reasons, strong reasons, something which will motivate you to work towards success. Have a study plan, follow it religiously. Make sure if you have something in your hand, you complete it. Then get the feedback. Take a number of mock tests. I remember Mandeep, she used to practice overnights as well. She used to get feedback. She has taken a number of mock tests, and that is what I personally believe is the reason behind your success. Congratulations once again, and all the very best for your NAATI now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Mandeep. Guys, if you're preparing for PT, make sure you practice properly, take feedback, and take a number of mock tests before you go for the exam and crack your exam in the very first go. Thank you, guys. Varun from Language Academy.